Hey everyone, today we're at Yamaha UK to take a look at the RMTT microphone, part of the ADECIA ecosystem. Designed for tabletop applications, the RMTT is a Dante array microphone operating on PoE for ease of deployment. The device has 4 configurable lobes with 6 different polar patterns to choose from and built-in voice tracking to allow for flexible room configuration. The onboard DSP gives you a host of features to fine-tune the captured sound, with processing on board including acoustic echo cancellation, noise reduction, de-reverberation and a 6-band parametric EQ. For longer boardroom tables, the RMTT can act as an extension to an RMCG ceiling microphone to increase the coverage at the rear of the room or a full room coverage with a distributed system. Up to 16 of the microphones can be used in conjunction with the RMCR room processor. The RMTT has a configurable LED ring surrounded by a touch mute, which can act as a global mute for an entire system link with video conferencing platforms. Like the ceiling format, the tabletop is available in both black and white colourways. Along with the rest of the ecosystem, the microphone is Microsoft Teams certified, giving you peace of mind for your installation. If you have any questions on the RMTT or would like to hear a demo, feel free to get in touch with myself or the team. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.